Once again, welcome to the Phillywood Studios. This is the boy 442 Morata, and this is where the gist is being said. You understand? Now, today, we are going to run some issue. We are coming with the heat because, Charlie, this issue, we have to high for some years now, and every year, it's causing disaster. The floods in Accra. Charlie, if you go to Volta region right now, they are suffering with the same issue in Lawashim because students are really suffering to go to school. You understand? Because of the floods and what the rains have caused. When you go to Cape Coast, UCC, students are facing the same issue. This is the Phillywood Studios, and we are gonna delve into this issue because it's getting hectic. You have to understand. Floods are getting hectic in Ghana. If you haven't subscribed to the Phillywood Studios, here is where the gist are being said. Here is where the gist are being described. Here is where the gist are being said. So please go down there and subscribe to the Phillywood Studios. You get me? Subscribe to the Phillywood Studios. Click on the share button and share this video to every friend of yours because this issue is very, very hectic. You understand? This is the boy 442 Morata. You know, say for some years past now, no, every for bare 6-8 years, every year, we have history repeat itself because the floods and the rains what the rains are causing in Accra, no. Masa, me if I'm in Kumasi crying, I'm sitting in my room and it start to rain, then Accra will come to my head because I know that these rains that have started right now, we are in June. Before we enter July and go forward in a day. Now plenty issues, plenty situations have happened in Accra. We got some here, some floods came to Accra. Then so Yirifa baby, because Charlie, this thing now Kasano is due to poor drainage system. What I say? Because what they have teachers in school, and the senior men, those that they have give them to teacher them are seeing the field. I don't know if it's money they want because some lands are there, bro. Some lands are there. You as you are going to Tiska and tour the thing, you know that no, this place is a waterlogged area. Even in a dry season, so kwakoto asase na asase no asase edansuo ma masa. You na nkasa utumi hu se no this asase de edansuo area. Nti ni se woto. But because I don't know if it's a chere or maybe they see the boss for them. That's why they always want to purchase. Because if the car situation na nkasa no, if you are watching the thing on TV, chale, gidi. Even if you are an adult now, you know, say, if in so either you get someone to pass, what about the kids? What about the children? Huh? Make us say cry in so to cry and crash a classroom, our mobile pong better no makufi. Hey, fan or mobile fa. You hear they say water floods in Accra has caused them deaths, them injuries. This is what we want as Ghanaians. No, just go to Cape Coast, UCC. What I say, UCC, like, I don't know, videos are there. You can see on Phillywood Studios. We give you all the vivid information. That's why I say subscribe and follow the news that is going on in Ghana. We keep you updated always. Yeah. So subscribe to the Phillywood Studios if you haven't subscribed. You understand? Subscribe to the Phillywood Studios. Now, what is this happening? Say if you go to Volta region right now, Volta region, there's a town called Lawashim or Lawashimi. I don't know, it's a noun, so I'm pronouncing it. Yeah, but I know that you know the area I'm talking about. Videos are circulating on the media. School children finding it difficult to go to school because of say floods and what the floods have caused in the area. And I know a thing. So and they had this transport system, boat and it me transporting crowd from field to school. Because of heavy rains, the boat has crashed. Boat I say because the number of or the quantity of water the boat knows say this is water I fast with the piano. Abrosa until the boat knows 20 man stand then a 120 the boat has crashed. So students omuna munsum no go school. Even if it's a walk path for a river or a friend say stream big crown. I know say authorities in the voter region. This one, crowd, you don't have to let the president or the central government in Accra come and see it before you do something about it. Because voter region, now, because you have a regional minister. What I say, you have district chief executives, one call for executives for they can easily help. And voter region crowd, if I see them suffering during times of NDC, and it is doing me, man. Because putting all things aside, me and you know that, massa. Voter region, a stronghold power back. The NDC people, they don't joke with it. When they come into power, these are some of the people, they have to board them. Like, it's just, your friend is saying, issue be I'm trying to bring on board. Because, what you say, it's what's made them move Philly government to them all because they their terminals is always for the NDC. And you know, when you say, me and machine, you know, say the strong way for the NDC. And NDC should not pass. So please, I know, say, my hammer is working. And I want me to be some bomba. It's at least in appointees near executives for a more voter. Or some motion be the man crown on more because they are really suffering. Charlie, now you are not part, you have dressed, say you are going to school, now you are walking in water to go. What will be your appearance in class? How will you feel comfortable? Say one for a teacher in Charlie, or if you are supposed to read the 7 and then you shouldn't be to do school by 10. What I say, won't do no Canada, I share a crown, bro. And when you go to UCC, University of Cape Coast, Charlie, from there last 2 weeks to last week in Ghana, even coming from your hostel to a place to where your classes, to other place to take a bath to your class or something, Charlie, I say I am resident, some children around the place, and they've seen that, oh, the flood has come, the students can't come, so they have omwana in crown we remove find ways and means, and they have created a means of transport for the students. Like Osha Grandpa is to like yeah, and essence was said how or my son crying so the children are walking in the water trying to help the students get to class. Bro, you can just see won't say the oh Charlie. And yet Accra, I don't want to talk about Accra because Accra there, it has been displayed on every your friend is saying social network that displayed that be said on radio stations everywhere, like every media means be wouldn't be Accra floods there is always a topic. So when which year and you will draw the Accra floods any national issue and any topic media and I say various radio station and TV station every year. So when is this going to stop, Charlie? The floods are really disturbing people in Accra. Now only my debut can as well stress as a massa. As the floods have come now for any breno. Somebody have lunches if anything. Jet ski. The jet ski that we chew on the shows, you know. I don't know if I'm wrong with that, but how the guys just what me say in Suno, it has come up to the level of the walls in the area. As in Suno was sorrow. It means as a lake be. As a stream will be quiet as a ya block in so to an a year for Charlie. Somebody will be cheap jet ski and ya be cheap jet ski flat and a banana. Then ya brain how I be you. Or also have found jet ski. Just what me say. He has waited for this for a very long time. When we said they are floods will come, and true for sure, he waited and it has come. So he na kasa, you know, say year pass, year in, year go, year come, year by. The government is not willing to do anything about the floods in Accra. Please, Munye be being found because it's really disturbing people. What I say. And I'm telling you again, if you haven't subscribed to the Fellowwood Studios, you know it's all about the news, the culture, and the lifestyle. Go down there and hit on the subscribe button. Warriors here, this is the boy 442 Murata, and this is the Flow Studios.